Books have the power to transport us to different worlds, but what about the spaces that hold them? Personal libraries are more than just collections of books, they are sanctuaries of knowledge, creativity, and beauty. In today's video, we'll explore some of the most breathtaking personal libraries on Earth. Number 1. The Walker Library of the History of Human Imagination, USA. First on our list is the Walker Library of the History of Human Imagination, created by J. Walker in Connecticut. This private library looks like something out of a science fiction novel. With floating staircases, glass bridges, and a treasure trove of rare books, it's a testament to human creativity and curiosity. Number 2. Umberto Eco's Personal Library, Italy. Umberto Eco, the famous Italian novelist and philosopher, had a personal library that housed over 30,000 books. His collection included rare manuscripts and literary masterpieces, making it a dream for any bibliophile. His library wasn't just a collection, it was a universe of knowledge. Number 3. George Lucas's Skywalker Ranch Library, USA. The man behind Star Wars, George Lucas, has an impressive library at Skywalker Ranch in California. This cozy yet elegant space features mahogany bookshelves, large reading tables, and an old-world charm that perfectly complements the creative mind of a filmmaker. Number 4. Karl Lagerfeld's Home Library, France. Karl Lagerfeld, the legendary fashion designer, had a strikingly modern personal library in his Paris home. Unlike traditional setups, his books were stacked horizontally, creating an avant-garde aesthetic. With over 300,000 books, it was a perfect reflection of his visionary style. Number 5. William Randolph Hearst's Library, USA. Media mogul William Randolph Hearst built one of the most opulent personal libraries at Hearst Castle. With antique furniture, tapestries, and rare first editions, this library is a true masterpiece of luxury and history. Number 6. Alberto Manguel's Home Library, France. Alberto Manguel, an Argentine-Canadian writer and book lover, built an enchanting home library with over 40,000 books. His collection spans countless subjects, making it a haven for intellectual exploration and literary appreciation. Number 7. Princess Elizabeth of Bavaria's Library, Germany. Princess Elizabeth of Bavaria had a personal library that looked like it belonged in a fairy tale. Ornate golden details, stunning frescoes, and an extensive collection of books made it a royal retreat for reading and reflection. Number 8. Michael Jackson's Private Library, USA. The King of Pop wasn't just a music legend, he was also an avid reader. Michael Jackson's private library contained thousands of books, including rare literary works and historical texts. His love for reading showed a side of him that many people didn't know about. Number 9. Haruki Murakami's Personal Library, Japan. Haruki Murakami, the renowned Japanese novelist, has a personal library that reflects his love for literature and music. Filled with books and vinyl records, his collection serves as both a writing sanctuary and a creative hub for storytelling. Number 10. Richard Maxey's Library, USA. Richard Maxey, a professor at Johns Hopkins University, had one of the most famous personal libraries in America. His collection of over 70,000 books was stacked in every corner of his home, creating a literary labyrinth unlike any other. From high-tech futuristic designs to timeless old-world charm, personal libraries are a window into the minds of their owners. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible discoveries.